George Stevens defied all kinds of technical conventions, and in particular, I'm thinking about the sound in Shane. We were very impressed by it. In Bonnie and Clyde, we wanted the gunshots to jump out at you like they did in Shane, and I spent a lot of time with George, and he described to me shooting cannons into trash cans and so on, and we did our sound of our gunshots in the same way, and it all came from George Stevens. And by the time we were showing the picture, and I'm showing it in London to the critics, they all come in one night, and then the Warner Theatre in London, there were seemed like 19 balconies, and the sound was just all very quiet. It didn't jump out, it didn't surprise you. And I ran up to the projectionist, and I walked into the booth, and he was a little surprised to see me because I was in the movie. He didn't know I had produced it, and he said, "You're the producer of this picture?" And I said, "Yeah." And he said, "Well, I've really helped you out on the sound here." And I said, "What?" And he said, "I've made a chart here. I turn it up here, I turn it down here, I turn it up here." He said, it's the worst mixed picture that I haven't had a picture so badly mixed since Shane."